Your imagination is the limit. Close your eyes and picture your biggest dream. Got it? Let's set the goal to make $1 million in a year. Let's assume we've got just one account to start with and just about NQ as the trading pair to achieve the goal. Remember, the calculation is regardless of account size. Whether it's a 50K or 100 or 150K, the calculation will remain the same. You can do it for yourself by the pair or pairs you're trading or willing to trade with. Now, for every $1 or handle or pip move that happens on NQ, we can see $20 in profit or loss. Since it's about achieving the goal, let's just talk about the profit first. So with that $20 profit per handle move, we'll need 50,000 handles or pips of profit in a year. There are 252 trading days in a year. For the sake of calculation, let's assume 250 days. So you'll need 200 handles moved per day in profit to get to that 1 million in a year. You might be thinking that's not possible, right? What I've learned from life is, if you ask a negative question to yourself, you'll only get a negative answer in return. So instead of saying that's not possible, say, how can I make that possible? Now let's think about the steps you can take to make that dream a reality. Remember, every big journey starts with small steps. Let's work backwards towards the goal and ask yourself, how can I make this 200 handles or pips a day? If you're using the prop firms, you know that every prop firm allows you to have multiple funded accounts. Top Step allows you to have 5 express funded and 1 live account. Apex has 20. My Funded Futures allows 3. For the moment being, as you all know, I prefer Top Step. Let's start with it. Instead of 1 account, if you can build up to 5 funded accounts on Top Step, now you'll need 40 handles from a profitable trade a day to get that 200 handles goal. 40 handles sounds achievable, right? Or yet too hard. What if you've used some of your profits or withdrawals from Top Step and get funded to some other companies instead of 5 accounts? If you can have 10, now you'll need only 20 handles of profit a day to achieve that 200 handles a day. What if you've got 20 funded accounts on Apex, or Top Step, Apex, and My Funded Futures combined? Now you need only 10 handles worth of profit to get the 200 handles a day. Or combine the Top Step and Apex, and you've 25 funded accounts. What the goal looks like. 8 handles worth of profit a day. Is it easy or hard? We all know even 20 to 30 handles a day isn't that hard to get once have the right mindset. We'll get some losing trades as well, but remember, if you can get 25 handles from 10 accounts or with 30 handles a day, with 7 accounts, it will approximately take 200 trading days to achieve the $1 million goal. And you'll still have that 52 days in your hand to recover the losses you'll take throughout the journey. Remember, this entire time I was only talking about 1 lot or contract per entry. With proper risk management, sometimes your entry can have more than 1 lots, and that will multiply the process. I hope now that sounds like a plan. The purpose of this video was for inspiration and to build the determination towards the goal. Even by the end of the year, if you can't make that 1 million to happen, you'll still have something that you may never dreamed about before in your life. Before I finish, let's recap. Believe in yourself. Keep learning. Embrace your unique dreams. Practice and never give up. Use your imagination. Take small steps towards big goals. I wish you all the best towards setting up the goal and achieving it. Don't forget to journal or keep record of every single trade you took and recap. Once the daily goal is achieved or the daily P&L is hit, close the chart and recap the mistakes or the right decisions you've made and try to improve every single day. The last quote of the day will be, "A dream is not what you see in your sleep. A dream is what doesn't let you sleep until fulfilled." Wake up every day and try to be 0.1% better version of yourself than you were on the previous day. With that thought, I wish you all the very best and a great new year ahead. Take a very good care of yourself, your health, and your loved ones. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard. Bye-bye.